If you were trying to troubleshoot a process and for whatever reason you can't run the process in test mode, but you need to see what data is in your process at a specific point, you can add a notify shape and you can just set it to current data or whatever data you're trying to get. In my case, I'm just going to set it to whatever the current data is. But you can set it to any of the values in here depending on what your need is for whatever we're trying to troubleshoot. So you could say, for example, pull a specific XML value out if you wanted to. But what this would do in my case is it's going to output whatever the current data is at the point of the process where the notify shape is and output it into the logs as a message level of information. You can also use warning and error messages, but these can make the process appear to fail. Information won't have any effect on the process run. And hit OK. And in my case, the data is just a message shape saying test data. So if I run the process, it should run all the way through with no errors. And then the notify shape won't appear to do anything in this case. But if you go into the process logs and look at the data here, you can see the notify shape is outputting test data. And this will be whatever you configured the notify shape to look at. And this is helpful because you can see this outside of test mode. So if you deploy the process and run it, you can see the data that way. That way, if it's something you can't see in test mode, for whatever reason, you can do it that way. There is a limit to this. There is a character limit with notify shape. So if the amount of data is too much, it will truncate it in the process logs. But other than that, it's a very useful tool to get more information on what you're trying to process.